Hopefully you are very fine, right? And having class party now as graduates, right? Congratulations. Big congratulations. But the thing is what you know, we couldn't meet each other the whole year as you had online classes. But I believe that very soon you are going to come to the campus and you are going to attend your classes and you are promoted, you are big boys and girls, so you have to have more responsibilities from now on. You know, it's not easy, new teacher, new books, new lessons, but I know that you are wonderful, you are amazing, you will be able to cope with the situation, with everything. See you soon, enjoy your vacation now, and we will meet each other, I think, very soon. Till then, stay fine. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today is the last day of this academic year. It's your graduation day. I know you all are very excited. I would like to congratulate you all. I hope you will thrive and enjoy in your next classes. Due to ongoing pandemic, it's a pity that we cannot be with each other physically, but we hope things will get better and we will go back to our school very soon, inshallah. We have arranged a virtual program for you. I think you will like it. Let's enjoy the program. Thank you and love you.
Hello, my dear graduates of 2021 session. It's my pleasure to congratulate all of you for your great achievement. You have successfully completed the preschool grade and now you all are set for a new chapter. From next session, you all will be the proud students. All the hazards and closures, we could continue our journey of KG2. I am thankful to technology. For the advancement of technology, virtually, we could meet every day morning to learn new lessons. And as teachers, we could prepare you for your new grade. Once again, congratulations graduates for your achievement and I wish you all the very best for a productive year ahead. Stay good and learn with fun. Goodbye and have a great
Thank
year.
you so much. Dear students, you are the little stars of our class. On your last day, I don't want to say goodbye to you all. And I don't want to be sad because someday we will meet. Definitely we will meet. So best wishes for your future. May you be successful and happy in life. Happy and stay blessed.
Thank you very much.
My KG2 journey, it was a great journey and new experience of online classes. My Diva teacher and Disha teacher are very smart and kind to me. I had lots of fun with them. I will always remember their advice and try to make them proud. Inshallah. I love you, teachers.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanjin and I am very proud to be a student of International Hope School Bangladesh because my two favorite teachers, Diba Miss and Disha Miss, took proper care during this pandemic. I love my teachers, love my friends, and I love my school. Thank you everyone, have a great day.
Good morning to my respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Fiona from KG2 grade. Last year we could not go to school due to pandemic, but we had classes online and we have learned many new things. I enjoyed the classes a lot. Thank you very much, Deepa and Disha Miss, for making our classes fun and teaching us good manners. Thank you, everyone. to share my memories with you. I would like to thank my teachers, Diva Miss and Disha Miss, for all the love and care for me. I would also like to thank Laboni Miss and Jasmine Miss. I will miss you all. Love you. Thank you, everyone.
Hello everyone, I'm Anason Aros. I am from KG2 Greece. My teachers' names are Eva Miss and Disha Miss. My teachers helped me a lot in my KG2 journey. I will miss them. Thank you so much to my teachers and my friends. Bye bye teacher. Bye bye everyone.
Hi everybody, my name is Manha. I'm going to talk about my KG2 school journey. I miss my school and my teachers and my friends. Because of coronavirus, we can't go to school. My teachers are so good. When I get mistakes, any word, they help me. I love my teachers and my friends. Bye bye everybody. Teachers and friends, for this important graduation day, I would like to say something. KG2 Green was a wonderful class, and I'm glad I could be here with all nice and kind teachers. Although it was online class, but in the same time it was enjoyable and fun. My teachers Diva Miss and Disha Miss did great on teaching all of us, and I'm grateful for everything. I will miss this class so much. Thank you everyone.
Dear Diva Miss and Disha Miss, thank you for being there with us in KG2. We learned a lot from you. I am going to miss you all. Inshallah, we shall meet you again when school reopens.
Hello everyone, my name is Alicia and today I'm gonna talk about my friends and my teachers because my teachers are really nice. Everyone, my name is Nora. I want to talk about my KG2 class. I enjoy my class but it's a little sad because I can't play with my friends and fun with teachers. That's all. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Mustaqim Rahman. I am from KG2 Green. My Disha Miss and Diva Miss is so good. I want to go to in class but for the coronavirus. We cannot that's why meet, sit, classrooms. I like Diva Miss and Disha Miss. Thank you everyone. Hello everyone, I am Abrar. Today I want to talk about online class. I love my online class and I enjoy my online class. For the COVID-19, I cannot go in my school and I didn't see my teacher. I am in class KG2. After some day, I will be in class 1. That time, I will miss my teacher. Hello everyone, my name is Arshi. I want to talk about my KG2 year. My KG2 year is so fun because my teacher is so helpful. I love my teacher also loves me. Thank you everybody.
Hello, my name is Ahmed. I am very excited for my graduation party. And my friends are also too. And by the way, my friends are awesome people. And also, my teachers are wonderful women. And they are beautiful persons. They always help me. Bye. And also
I am Iqbal. I am
student of KG2 Green. When I joined this class, and my teacher and classmate welcomed me very nicely, and Diva Miss and Disha Miss was very helpful. I am lucky to be part of International Hope School Bangladesh. Thank you. Assalamualaikum Diva Miss, Disha Miss. I'm very lucky to have a teacher like you. Your encouragement give me great inspiration in my study. Thank you so much for helping me to pass another great year in the school. With love and respect, Yamin Rabbani.